What's up? What's good? Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Guys, today dagan kay ni-request nako nga i-feature daw ang usa sa pinakakaraan o pinakaginaadto sa mga tao when it comes to ngoyong. So, ako silang gituman o I'm on my way right now to our very own Cebu's Chinese ngoyong. Join me as we chow. Let's go! Ito guys, sa Chinese ngoyong sa Cebu, and let's check out their food. Pilahan gini sila everyday dire sa Colon area sa Chinese ngoyong kay lamian o barato ilang food, especially ilang ngoyong special Chinese ngoyong. Pila ang ngoyong niga? And ang puso miga? 4. Tauke? 13. Ang hamonado? 9. Ang siomai? Ang barbecue? Okay guys, welcome to Chinese ngoyong here in Colon. One of the oldest and the best. It's a sought after ngoyong house in Cebu. Especially if you have this, you have aupe, you have ngoyong, siomai, hamonado, you have egg and barbecue. Now, ngoyong guys is made of ubod sa lubik. Alright? That white part, that white meat in the core, like in the middle of a coconut, that's where ngoyong is from, like the ingredients, and like they put ngoyong spices and they wrap it into lumpia wrapper and they fry it. It's one very familiar Chinese treat here in Cebu. It's a treat that everyone likes and loves since 1998 when Chinese ngoyong in Cebu started. Alright, so see, like 98 until today, people still come here, eat, and love Cebu's Chinese ngoyong. It's best paired, guys, with puso. Puso yun na ang pares sa Chinese ngoyong. The people from Luzon might probably mistake this as suman. No, it's not suman. Though the concept is similar, but this is just plain rice inside a coconut leaf. Alright? Now, what really makes this special for the ngoyong, like a lot of ngoyong in Cebu are totally just the same, like ubod and wrapped in lumpia wrapper. But what makes this special are their sauce. So you have the soy sauce and vinegar combination, and you also have their secret spicy ngoyong sauce. So it's a secret concocted sauce, like Chinese herbs, and you have chilies obviously and vinegar, but I could also taste a little bit of cumin and ginger. But the kick of chili would give that spicy flavor of goodness when you dip your ngoyong in it. So this is what makes it special. So let's mix it up. So you could put here just the plain spicy sauce, or you could mix it up with soy sauce and vinegar. Either way, it's gonna be delicious, guys. It's gonna be really, really lami. Okay, so let's eat. Let's try their ngoyong. Let's have first. Let's break it in half. So this is puso, right? This is your ngoyong. You dip it with the sauce. dip it into that really spicy sauce. And then you have puso. Really, really good because of that really tender ubod or ubod meat, and then paired up with that spicy concocted sauce. Amazing. Best ngo-yong in Cebu. Cebu's Chinese ngo-yong. Guys, they also have taupe. So it's a combination of fish, shredded, and spices, 5 Chinese spices, and a bit of flour and water, and Chinese flavoring. This is one of my favorite here, like the array of food here in Chinese ngo-yong. This is one of my favorite food because I don't know, it just tastes like fish and lami jud kay siya, guys, because ma-feel pa nimo ang spices and fish together, and I love fish, so let's try this too. Dip it as well with Chinese sauce. And the best. So I hope, guys, you enjoyed our video today, and make sure nga mo hapit mo diri sa Chinese ngo-yong sa Colon. If ever you are in Cebu, lamian ilang ngo-yong ang ilang mga pagkaon. Okay? So this has been your boy, J-Man Good Boy, and as always, keep it simple.